Look at that trail, dude. Oh my God, that's hero dirt. Right? Ah, just gotta burn it in. I'm gonna burn it in on my electric bike. Brought my electric bike for the rest of the day, the second part of the day. You know, gotta be eco-friendly too out here, you know. It's all about satisfying. Uh-oh. What do we got? Uh-oh, I don't know if that electric bike's gonna get through that. Wow. No power on this electric bike. That's not good. Right? Uh-oh. What's he doing? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, he's not taking him wide enough. Got to go up here. Swing the electric bike back end around. Oh, these are tight. I got my electric bike out just to make sure. Oh. Electric bike's doing all right though. How's yours? Pretty good? Hoop, hoop. Oh, I'm catching you on my electric bike, boy. Grandpa coming for you. Woohoo! Oh. Oh, man. Ah, electric bike's not gonna work. Ay, ay, ay. I should have my goggles on right now. Up here, disappeared. Found neutral. Watch my electric bike neutral. Ouch! Yeah, we got a bypass right here. Oh yeah, this trail's sick too. Coming, Grandpa, coming for you. Wow, that's tight. Tight and right, dog. Wow, almost didn't make that turn. Whew. Almost didn't make it. Grandpa coming for you. Train engineer in front of me, Mike Henrich. Ay, 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 ay. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoa. Ay, 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 ay. Ay.